Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about finding the mean of a frequency distribution by using the assumed mean method. So in the first column you have class interval and you have frequency in the second column. So now from a class interval of 20 to 40 the frequency is 9. Then from 40 to 60 frequency is 11. 60 to 80 14 is the frequency. 80 to 100 6 is the frequency. 100 to 120 again 8 is the frequency. 120 to 140 15 is the frequency. And 140 to 160 12 is the frequency. In the assume mean method, we assume a certain value to be the mean. Now we consider class marks. Now class marks is the mid value of this class interval. So if you do it is like 20 plus 40 over 2. That will be 60 over 2 and you are going to get 30. So 30 will be the first class mark. After that we have 40 plus 60 over 2. Now 40 plus 60 over 2 will give you 100. 100 by 2, that's going to give you 50. After that the next class mark is 60 plus 80 over 2. Now if you do 60 plus 80 over 2, you are going to get 70. After that you have 80 plus 100 over 2, that will be 180. 180 over 2 will be 90. After that you have 100 plus 120 over 2. 100 plus 120 will give you 220. If you divide by 2 you will get 110. Then after that you have the next class mark will be 120 plus 140 over 2. That's going to be 260 by 2, that's 130. Then after that you have 140 plus 160 over 2, that will be 300 over 2, that will be you will get 150. Now deviation is equal to x of I minus 90, x of I minus assumed mean. So here we consider assumed mean to be 90. Now x of I is class mark. So deviation is equal to class mark minus assumed mean, which we have taken it to be as 90. First deviation will be 30 minus 90, that we can get as minus 60. Then the second deviation is going to be 50 minus 9, that's going to be minus 40. Then second deviation will be 70 minus 9, it will be minus 20. And after that next we have 0. 90 minus 90 will be 0. Now 110 minus 90 will be 20. Now 130 minus 90 will be 40. Then after that 150 minus 90 will be positive 60. Now we have summation of frequency, that's the total of frequency. The total of frequency is 75. Now in the last column we have f of I into d of I, frequency multiplied by deviation. So 60 into minus 9 is going to be equal to negative 540. Then after that we have 11 into minus 40. It is going to be negative 440. Then we have 14 multiplied by minus 20. It is going to be negative 280. Then after that we have 6 into 0, that will give you a 0. Then after that next we have 20 multiply 8 into 20, that will give you 160. Then after that we have 15 multiplied by 40. 15 multiplied by 40 will give you 600. Then after that we have 12 into 60, that will give you 720. Now the summation of f of I into d of I we get is 220. So now mean is also known as the average is equal to A. Now A is the assumed mean, which we took as 90 plus 1 over n. Now 1 over n is the summation of frequency. So A assumed mean plus 1 by summation of frequency into the summation of f of I into d of I. So this f of I into d of I means frequency multiplied by deviation. It's a product of frequency and deviation, the summation of all those values. So we have 90, that is the assumed mean, plus 1 over summation of frequency. So that is basically 1 over 75 into 220. 220 is the product of the summation of product of frequency and deviation. Now that is going to be equal to, this is equal to 92.93. So this is the method of using the assumed mean method to find the mean of grouped data.